Hello students, today we are going to continue our exercise 2.1 with some basics. So first let me tell you some basics of this chapter. As I have told you, the equation is uh, the equality statement of two expressions. Suppose I have x minus 5 on the left hand side and on the right hand side I have 4 plus 2x. This is called the equation. In this equation we can see that we have an alphabet x. So x is called a variable. So in this chapter you have to find the value of the variable. And the other value that we can see here is -5. This is the constant value. Okay, so these statements are meant to find the value of the unknown value. The unknown value is known as variable. Suppose in your earlier classes you have studied what value should we add to 3 to get 8. So on subtracting 3 both sides, we got here only x, because plus 3 and minus 3 goes cancel, and 8 minus 3 gives you 5. So this is the basic. Okay. Suppose we have p plus p, so this is 2p. It gives the way to the chapter algebraic expressions. When we add 2y to 3y, we get 5y. Okay, so there are some types of basic questions. Suppose x minus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the one method that you have studied in your class 6. In class 7th and 8th, we learn the method of transposition. Now this minus 1, which is the constant value, when changes its sides, it becomes its sign change. Okay, side change, sign change. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4. This is the value of x. Suppose we have 2p minus 11 is equal to 8. So this is 8. This minus 11, when changes its sides, it becomes plus 11. So when side change, the sign also changes. 8 plus 11 gives you 19. Here 2 and p, there is nothing between 2 and p, so there is the multiplication relation between this 2, which is the coefficient of this variable p. And 2 and p are being multiplied here. When 2 changes its side, the inverse of multiplication is division, so it divides 19. Okay, and this is the value of p. Suppose we have x upon 3 and we have here 5. So we can put here 1 and then we have to cross multiply. 1 into x gives you x and 3 into 5 gives you 15. So this is the value of 15. So these are the basics of this chapter. Okay, now I am going to I hope that you have all revised your class 6 and 7th. Okay, still if you have problem you can ask me. Now we'll continue our exercise 2.1 of linear equations in one variable. Today's fifth question. This is 5x. 5x is a term. and minus 2, this is also a term. When this minus 2 changes its sides, its sign also changes. This minus 2 when goes to the right side, it becomes plus 2. 18 plus 2 gives you 20. Now this is the multiplication relation between 5 and x. So on other side, this 5 will come down to divide 20. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Okay, so the value of x is 4 and this is the answer. Out of these two questions, I am going to solve this one. So as I have done here, this plus 7 will go to the right side and changes its sign. It becomes negative 7. 19 minus 7 gives you 12. So 2y is equal to 12. Now this 2 will come down because there is a relation between multiplication, and on other side it will divide 12. 2 ones are 2 six are. So the answer is y is equal to 6. Okay, so as I have solved these two parts, you have to solve question number 6. Number 8 and 9 both are all alike, so I am going to solve this one for you. This is the term with the variable. So variable always remain on the left hand side. Always remember, the variable term remains in the left hand side, and the constant values which does not have any variable can be transposed. So this 5 upon 2 is the positive value, it will transpose to the right side. So it becomes minus 5 upon 2. The LCM of 2 and 2 will be 2 again. So there will be no difference in the numerator. It is minus 3 and minus 5. On adding these two, we get minus 8. Now nothing can be done, so we have to cross multiply. Now 2 into x gives you 2x, and 3 into minus 8 gives you minus 24. Again, this is the simple way. This 2 will come down, and 2 12s are 24. So the value of x is minus 12. Okay, students. Now this question number 9 is as same. We have to transfer this 3 because this is a constant value. 5 upon 2 x will remain on the left hand side. This 3 will go on the right hand side, and there will be 1 below 3. Okay, this is your homework. This is number 10. Let me solve this for you. Again, this is minus 7x. So this is a variable term, so I will not disturb this. 15 upon x is the constant, so this 15 upon 4 will be transferred to the right side of equal sign. So 15 upon 4 becomes minus 15 upon 4. Below 1 and 4 gives you the LCM 4, and 4 9s are 36. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 into 15 is 15. It is 21 upon 4. Here we have minus 7x is equal to 21 upon 4. There is a multiplication relation between minus 7 and x. So the inverse of multiplication is division. Division means we have to reciprocal this minus 7. So reciprocal of minus 7 is 1 upon minus 7. And there will be multiplication relation between these two numbers. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Here the value of x will be minus 3 upon 4. Okay, this is the minus sign, this 3 and 4. Okay, always remember that negative sign should float to the numerator. Number 11, x upon 4 plus x upon 3 is equal to 7. In this part, both the terms are variable term because both of them have x. So we'll take LCM first and no transposition in this case. The LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. Now 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 3 into x gives you 3x. 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 into x gives you 4x. 3x plus 4x gives you 7x. This is the algebraic addition that you have already studied in class 7th. Now again 7 upon 12 x is equal to 7. Now 7 upon 12 will be reciprocal on the right hand side of the equation, equal sign. 12 up and 7 down. 7 7 cancel. So the value of x is 12. Okay. Now question number 12 is to be done by you. Okay. This 4 you will put here 1 and then just cross multiplication. When 3x minus 1 will be multiplied to this 1, there will be no change and this 4 will multiply to 11. Okay. Now 3x minus 1 equals to 11 for the 44. Now rest is easy. I hope that you can solve it better. And from question number 13 we will continue tomorrow. Okay. And if you have any problem you can ask me. Okay. You are free to ask any question.